Get ready for Samsung's next design evolution with the Galaxy S24 series. And if you're someone who's expecting some big massive changes, well, that's not gonna happen. You see, Samsung, just like Apple, found their design identity as we have seen in their recent flagship phones and mid-range phones and even with the foldable devices. And well, now with the future Galaxy S24 series, Samsung is finding more ways to refine their super premium design. Samsung is looking to go flat with pretty much all their devices, even mid-range phones next year. Yes, we have our first look at a 2024 Samsung smartphone design which features flatter boxy sides, kinda similar to how the iPhone look. OnLeak speculates the same design change for the Galaxy S24 and the S24 Plus, which is in line with one of the reports we heard from South Korean media saying the S24/S24 Plus will use a flatter design on the sides, which is definitely different direction from the S23 and S23 Plus, which had a bit of a curve to their sides. Now, what about the Galaxy S24 Ultra? Samsung already brought the flat sides to the S23 Ultra, but now with the S24 Ultra, it is expected to get titanium material similar to the iPhone 15 Pro Max, combined with a new flat OLED display, the brightest OLED display on any Samsung flagship ever before, coming at 2600 nits. That's going to replace the curved display that we have seen on Samsung flagships for so many years. So let me know what you think about these design refinements in the comment section below. Also in the news, some latest spec sheet leaks are coming out via Twitter Leakster for the entire Galaxy S24 series, and you can see the S24 Ultra could very likely be Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 exclusive, which is a great news for those who are interested in the Ultra model. Once again, titanium frame is listed, and of course we have the camera specs. We're getting a very strong 5x 50 megapixel lens. We talked about this in detail in the previous video. As for the S24/S24 Plus, apart from the internal chip upgrade, which can be either 8 Gen 3 or Exynos 2400 depending on the market, rest of the stuff is pretty much the same. Sadly, I mean, I would have wished to see a proper main camera upgrade here from 50 megapixel to something like 108 megapixel. Sadly, it seems like it's the same 2-year-old sensor that we saw on the Galaxy S22 and the S22 Plus. Now at the Galaxy S24 Unpacked event, we could see the debut of the Samsung Galaxy Ring. This is said to be a smart ring that can measure your health and fitness metrics. This ring icon was seen in the Galaxy Wearable app, so very likely Samsung is going to bring this new kind of product to the Unpacked event. So that's all of this news. Let me know what you think about the new flat design refinement that are possibly coming to the Galaxy S24 series. Stay tuned for all the up-to-date info by subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.